welcome to this channel. On today's tutorial, I will take us on how we can blur an image picked from file path, that is an image picked from user's device. So I'll show us how we can blur the image in our sketchware project. So let's pick an image. Okay, let me pick any image. So as I've picked the image is blurred. The image is blurred. It's blurred. I'll show that we can do this in sketchware. So the first thing we do, we open our sketchware, then we click this plus sign, we name our project blur or anything you like. Then we scroll here, a pick button, pick image, then we add this match parents, then we add two images, image view 1 and image view 2. So image view 2 and image view 1. Okay, now image view 1 is the blurred image, image view 2 will be the original image. So we come to our component and create a component image pick image, or another way is to do this. Then we scroll to the logic, click on component, select this, then we come to our file manager, come to our file download, sketchly, then we copy this, we import this class by doing this Java then in our own files picked, we use this code to show our blurred image. So if you want your blur image to show in image view 2, you can change this to image view 2, but I'm showing my blurred image in image view 1. Then if I want to now use image view 2 for showing the original image by doing this. So to show the original image, I will do this. Okay, now when our button is clicked, we pick a file, let's run our app.